can't wait. She gotta go check.
I am like super sad. I think they towed my car, guys, and like I'm about to piss my pants.
I pray to God.
Please. I'm being please, God, please. It is gone. She said she. My man is your man, her determined. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday.
Every day and
I just keep her satisfied through the weekend.
Happy holidays to you too, sir. Yes, definitely.
Have a beautiful day.
Wonders.
We're gonna watch the sunset until it goes down. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty on camera.
Even better in person, guys.
So pretty. This is the life of Miami, okay? And if any of my followers are not from here, please comment down below, where are you from? Because I want to know, okay? I am like super sad. I think they towed my car, guys, and like I'm about to piss my pants because her team went to go check and she didn't find my car, and like she said she didn't see it. So please,
I'm being
please, God, please. It is gone. She said she walked in front. She walked.
I pray to God she's playing dead ass.
She's not playing because her phone is dead still.
Your phone is still dead.
My phone is dead. Y'all think I'm joking?
No, because your phone is still dead.
Okay, I'm joking.
Your phone is still dead.
Right there in Marshall, right?
Right there over there. Oh gosh. Guys, oh my gosh. Miami is something else. It isn't, but like
This bitch is shit pretty devastating.
it is devastating.
No, seriously. I don't like that. I'm really mad. Yeah.
We just have to pray. Hoping God.
You said it's not there.
Go to see.
Hi.
I swear to God, I can't wait. She gotta go check. She got to.
It's gone.
Your car not out. It's okay.
We gotta call that number.
What's your car?
Yeah, they told it.
They told it. Okay, that's fine.
Bro, I was looking at that shit like, bro, are you sure, bro?
Hello, is this a tollway zone?
By Marshall.
What's the right number?
Yeah,
But what's the right number? Because this is the number on the sign.
Oh Jesus.
You work at a hospital? What hospital? Because this is the number on the tollways
On Marshalls, right on
by Marshalls. This is the number on the tollway sign by Marshalls. What hospital around here?
Let me talk.
You work in Pennsylvania with a separate 786 number?
Hi, hello.
It's on one phone.
Yes, hi.
We just called the
right number?
away thing because we just came out of Marshalls. We're looking for a car we don't
Yeah, I
care.
want to talk to that bitch. Got class.
What's the right number?
Are you aware that your number is on South Florida's Sunny Owls?
What is 786 number?
zone? 786-520-7898.
521.
521. Sorry about that. 786-521-7898. Is that your number? Do you know your number is on the side of Marshalls as a tollway zone? You do now? So the
All right,
whole
let's go buy something and then call the cops because
Okay, so we probably have to just call the cops.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on 1 second. Never mind. Thank you.
let's go buy something. Definitely got told and we are freaking stuck.
Right.
So guys, we got my car back and I'm super excited. Thank you God
been
for
gone.
Jim.
We just gotta
Who's
keep
this? They
calm.
put us here?
See how we just
No.
kept calm and good
That was
things
my,
happen.
party
you know,
kinda
instead of
son.
relax and
Right.
just vibe, because that's how life is. We gotta
Like I said, when you're surrounded by good people, it's like it's just gone. Like
It doesn't even exist.
it
doesn't
doesn't.
even exist.
Like I would have been boohoo crying if I was probably with my sister.
Exactly.
But since I was like with them, I was like, okay, I got my car towed.
Exactly. Like
Let's pay this
shit.
100
We did
and some
this. We went through
change.
this shit already.
Yes, they went through it. I didn't go through it. Them two went through it.
But you kind of went through it because you were
I
right
did,
there
but I didn't
looking
know,
at us like, bitches, y'all better find some shit. Call me if y'all know.
And nobody called me. So like,
we did it. We were just like looking. We were just
hello guys, we're talking to the vlog.
Hey, bro. How are you guys today? So, you know, we did have a situation, but you know how we just were very calm about it. Good things happen when you don't overreact, because that's what life is gonna give you shit like this. So you gotta vibe and relax and see. We got our car back. It's straight. Everything is good.
all good.
It wasn't the end of the world. We're okay. We're well. The car is fine, and we're just gonna enjoy the rest of our night. So we're good. It's all good.
So make sure you guys like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
And
You guys
also,
comment on our situation.
Comment,
What you guys
describe
think.
what you think.
What
Have
would
you
you guys
ever been?
have done?
If you've ever been in a situation like this, like the video, see what's going on, see what exactly you've been through. If you've been through this shit, like it, because you already know we can relate. This is
Thumbs up,
ridiculous.
guys, because we've all been
Freaking
through it. I've been booted before. So guys, it's okay. So if you guys have been through the same
I know you're
situation,
scared, like,
give
yeah, I
us
wanna press it.
comments.
Let's
Tell us
press.
what happened, how you got through it. But we all good, man. It's
Tell
all
us how
good.
you finessed it, because we need to know for next
We
time.
need some new finesse skills. Like,
Yeah, we need to know what to do
yeah.
because like we clearly didn't know. We should have played it smart, but we
Right,
we
bitch,
played
we-
it completely dumb.
But it's okay. But we're good now. Now we're just waiting for gas, so we're good. It's all good, man.
what?